just listed an incredible office space here in the heart of Springfield. And it's true what they say about residential and commercial too. Location, location, location. And this location is phenomenal because we are right across the street from West Springfield High School. So look, if you have a small business and you're thinking about expanding and taking it to the next level, you've got to see this space. We're at 6116 Rolling Road in Springfield, Virginia. And we are in this beautiful condo office space. It has 5 offices, 2 bathrooms, and each office is actually plumbed, ready to go. So if you're a dentist or a chiropractor, counselor, legal office, this is ready for you. So, with over 1,200 square feet of fabulous office space, this is prime and ready for you. If you're looking to take your business to the next level, if you're looking to buy and own your space, this is phenomenal because of location. Look, we are right across the street from the West Springfield High School. We are close to 95, 495, and also the Fairfax County Parkway. Our price point is $189, so we are at that sweet spot of getting into the market pretty easily for a first-time buyer of office space. If you've got questions or if you would like to see this privately, I'd love to show it to you. Call me or text me directly, 703-402-4414.